This is the edited section of the more prominent dancehall artists at the Red Bull Culture Clash 2016. Because of copyright reason, I could not include certain songs or sections of the event. This is a sample roundup. Please enjoy.
Yo, I'm gonna say mix back. I'm gonna say yo, mix back. The body sing. The body sing.
Mix back, it is the ruling town. Mix back to them down.
And the big sound, mix back.
I don't think mix back come for done. All we have to do is send for the new dub. Anything just dead.
Yo, Sean Stan, before you call them, just one day. You can see. 121, the mix back down. Till plenty man call them up.
Hey yo, listen to it.
Focus me more, oh,
You don't come get bombed up like chat here.
Batman. Son boy, learn this. Darkless. What the fuck? Mix back. Why this make we feel like do? Why this make we feel like do? Why this make we feel like do?
You know what you're gonna do now? You know what? Listen,
bust out the block. Bust out the block. Bust out the block.
Bust out,
Mix back. Love right, nothing new money. Wiz Khalifa, get ready. Eskimo, get ready. UKG, I'm walking up it.
No boy, no matter that way. No boy, no matter that way. Hey, no boy.
Run up and dance and back. Mix back.
All right, tell me what I'm gonna do. Something, do something, do something, do something, do something, do something. Ready now!
Kill them and give them.
It's a back of it. Them black was already in the gas and it's a hero. Balloon dancer! Johnny B! Are you the balloon dance? Everybody! Watch out for this! Get something I want! Watch out for this! We have the Jamaican flag there! Watch out for this! Corona, Caribbean, Corona! Hold on! Watch out for this, Sammy! Whoa! Get the balloon! Sabrina, get the balloon! Alright, get the balloon! Get the balloon! Bumbo clap! Let me see you! Hey! Hey! Balloon! What to do? Clear the stage! Clear the blood clot stage! Balloon! Balloon! We're gonna introduce you to a very special person. Let's go.
Go down and a wine and a bubble.
Whoa!
I don't got home to a couple.
Whoa!
And a wine and a bubble. Skin on me pump pump. Body body. And me body does a jump and a bump. Hold that shit up a little bit. Mix pop young in the building. I think I need to remix this song for you. mix back, I'm gonna remix it. Give me back again.
Turn it up.
Go down and a wine and a bubble and mix pack culture clash this
Never.
bubble. Bobby, pull it up and give it again. I need it to be very quiet. Give me now. Low. Go down and a wine and a bubble and mix pack culture clash this a trouble and me go talk and tell you what go on. Talk some secret and bust them bubble and Wiz Khalifa in me pum pum. And him face me a wine and a mix pack me up. Wine.
Yo. Bomba
I'm here to work tonight.
Turn it up.
Now,
Turn it up.
Spice Official is my name. I'm the baddest bitch in the game.
Wait, let me remix that.
I'm gonna do a remix for you right now.
Why you pick me a chop off? Lisa Mafia me lock off. All our eyelash me a pop
Papa.
off.
Can I do a remix on your rhythm? Let me do a remix on your rhythm. Give me back it.
Turn it up.
I'm gonna do a remix on your rhythm for you tonight. Baddest bitch. What you know about lock off? We have every remix lock off. My beat get chop off. I'll Wiley dig me a chop off. Lisa Mafia me lock off. I'll rock and lash me a pop off. What you know about lock off? 50 caliber me pop off. Eskimo dance get lock off. Then them get lock off. What you
You can't even lock up.
UKG egg get
chop off?
Wiz Khalifa
Blood clot lock off.
Cheap dunk and pea
Money lock off.
Logan Sama last year
Get lock off.
Mix pack no now look
Can't lock off.
Ah, we go pan London
I
like
got choke off.
Till a gang all look
Can't fuck off. Every crew get lock off.
Lock up. When I say it, you say back. Mix. Mix back. Yo. Look with that. Watch it. Watch it. Hey. Kill them in the W. Hey. We the real fucking sound killers round here. You know that? What was that? My God. Yes, man. Yes, sir. That's it. UKG came up here and played a mixtape. We don't want that. What? What? This is Mix Back. Mix Back. Brand new. Low. Low. We're there. Set that. Sure.
Popcorn are the only man she want. Our man says she very special. Very special. Like a giant in our life. Everybody put up your hands like this. Give me my yard, the rolling of stature. Still she won't give me the thing. Yeah, Wiz Khalifa, you see again. She willing to wine for the pool, willing to give me. All when he must search up our phone and popcorn. Over, he cross around corner, who same friend say. As him talk and turn him back. All the party go, him tell her to stop. Same I go chop, same I go shoot, same I go shot popcorn and yeah. Him tell her she yeah. Oi, Bumbo Clock. Hold on there. You know I'm from Jamaica, right? Everybody put up something in here like this now. Put up something in here like this now. Are you ready? Now, Jessica. Start to say, both white people are bad, Indian people are bad, black people are bad, Chinese people are bad. These are yeah. Everybody on the jump now. All right then. 2016. sugar, wuggle, flavor, ooh. Work every day till weekends. Have to turn it up on the weekend. Almost and toast. Everybody wave your hands like this. I know. Good time, everybody wave your hands up. Now. We don't know. Everybody put up your hands like this. Buckler, Jamaica, me represent this one. Fuck Taylor Gang. Fuck UKG. Fuck Eskimo. Say yeah. Are you ready? I'm feeling like champion. Work hard every day till we reach to the goal. This are for the people in my work. All over to the Why on? All the respect, Drizzy Drake, put up your fucking hands like this. Fuck Wiz Khalifa. This is the fucking one.
Turn it up!
Grips on your waist, my rule you say. This sound just done the place.
Hey! Mix
This is
box!
just the last round.
Yo!
Murder your shot stand.
Hey! Let them hear it clear.
Watch it now.
Listen!
Eskimo dance again, no pussy tonight.
What was that? Listen again!
UKG now get no pussy tonight.
Wait!
Got the champion.
Alright! Red Bull Culture Clash! Sound Freedom! Jamaica style!
Murder them.
Murder them!
In a competition, me back up.
Murder them! Murder them!
Murder them. It's on a
Alright!
rock with mix
Alright! Yo, give me the next one! Mix Pop! Red Bull Culture Clash! Real authentic dancehall! Out in the street, Mix Pop! Murder! Again! Out in the streets, Mix Pop! Murder! Yo, listen! How UKG, Mix Pop with murder! Murder them! Out here and G, we are go murder! Murder them! Alright! Murder! Oh, no, ready for this yet, blood. We're not ready for it yet. They're not ready for this! Hold on, go! If you love dancehall, put your hand in the air! Be the man! Hey!
Sissima, mix back sound a sound killer.
Why?
Mr. Skull Crusher, and a nine, a rum fi kill punk in a rush.
Pass me rush.
Rusty car, rusty.
What?
Mix back sound.
Just it. Never know.
Pussy.
Just the best of dancehall. Simple. That one, listen.
Mix back, you feel nothing.
Oh.
Hey, now go play.
I want to hear them. Again.
Gunshot for no Eskimos like play. UK,
Turn it to me. Yeah.
so late.
Listen up. Wait.
Mix back, I go kill you. Can we hear say a freak? I'm not a
Say, sweet day.
He said, she say you eat
This
it.
is Mix Back.
Don't you want to run, slap one another.
Alright. One.
I make you see say you know easy.
Get ready.
This cheers call it
Alright.
family and
Listen lyrics.
Mix Back just kill ten song, and your song will be 11. Jubilee kill some boy from long time and that
What you tell them?
all when them say six, some just
Yeah.
steady, you just make
Seven.
Ever too sweet for
All
the
two, are you ready?
kerosene. Just
Get ready for this.
Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to Cranium.
Ladies. Say pop, 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 pop. Everybody. Bend the way this up. You know me have a fat love for your ladies. I've been waiting. If you don't give me the pussy, nobody nothing know. Say me and you a fuck. Nobody nothing know. Say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know. Say you come over me yard. And baby, I beg you take off your dash it. Yo, fuck Eskimo. Fuck UKG. Fuck Wiz Khalifa and Taylor Gang. Motherfucking dancehall.
Drop it! Batman style.
Listen this now. All Caribbean say pop pop pop. Again, then them a go dead. You know them get a fat shot in your head.
Turn it up.
Listen me.
Turn
I
it
do
up,
real
Jay.
thing. I play. And you don't listen to me now. Nobody now go know what kind of gun me have a boss. Pussy hole chip, you know you better give it up. Everybody a go know say them dead.
Me step in on the globe, I dance over dope, and the girl a come and wind up for me. It's like to start back against the wall. I know she want climb up for me. It's kind of little tricky, I'm checking out Nicky, but the time is up for me. The way the girl a wind up, it's like a wind up at the sunshine. Cause you are my girl, cause you are. 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 Everybody clap! Going on the water, going on the sea, going on the bushes, going on the tree. Fuck on the bed, that's fucking me. Fuck on the floor. Fuck on the back, fuck up the figure. Fuck on the back, fuck up the figure. Every girl a dirty wine. She don't want it, no. Go down on it, girl, go down on it. Go down on it, girl, go down on it. Jump with it, girl, jump with it. Fuck that. All right, lever. Look.
We flew a long way.
Put your
Not
motherfucking
here
hands
to
up.
make friends. We came here to murder. Some boys gonna kill all of them. Flew a long way. Tonight when this ends, on the front page of the day, we just killed all of them.
Where you at, Wally? Clap. Where Pop Can at? Where Pop Tart at? What we gonna do in London? Let's go. Let's kill him. Hey.
I'ma use all of this ammo. Take the dangerous up in camera. Trauma squad and you get handled. Kill every crew on the camera. Eskimo.
Body them.
Mix pack.
Body them.
UKG.
Body them. Tell the gang body them. Hey. You little dumb ass bitch. I ain't fucking with you.
Say, go.
Got a million things that say. Didn't be fucking with you.
Hey, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Give a fuck about you or anything that you do.
Nothing can stop with
I'm on the way up. Hey.
It's all the way up. It's all the way up.
Let's go. Pull up.
Nothing can stop us. He's all the way up. What you need?
Let's go.
Real new cheese. Hey, we got 12 here.
We gon' murder off the mix pack.
Oh shit.
We gon' shut down the Eskimo.
Everybody down.
Kidnap Wally on a Sunday.
Hey.
Murder Popcorn on Monday. UKG done this weekend. I'ma throw him in the deep end. I don't want no Eskimo.
The Red Bull UK Culture Clash was held on June 17, 2016 at the O2 Arena in London, UK. It was a very good look for dancehall as it featured sound selectors and artists on a global platform. There were dancehall artists such as Popcorn, Spice and Cranium that performed on stage and locked down the place with big tunes after tunes. They hype up the whole building and had the people in a frenzy. The live performances and their dub plates brought the Clash to a final unanimous victory for Mixpac. Other artists such as Vice Cartel, TOK, Junior Reid, Sizzla, Conscience, Busy Signal, Capleton, Cutty Ranks, Bar 21, Shabarang, Shaka Demus and Pliers, Ninja Man, Mad Krober and Shaggy had the crowd amped up with their dub plate selections. The winning sound system was Mixpac and featured producer/selector Dre Skull, Tony Macharan. They brought the house down with some high-profile performances, stage dancing, crowd hype-up and sound effects. The biggest dub plate for the whole night was, however, featured during Popcorn's live performance when he dropped a dub plate by the biggest artist in hip-hop, Drake. It was the final nail in the coffin of the competition, most notable Wiz Khalifa, who got the biggest diss. I must give Wiz Khalifa credit, he had some big dub plate, but the problem was that they were all hip-hop dub plates. Don't get me wrong, there were some big songs, but just not dancehall dub plates. And you cannot come to a dancehall clash without dancehall dub plates. That's like coming to war with the biggest guns, but no bullets and no ammo. I guess everybody has seen the videos by now. Who do you think won the clash? Was it Mixpac? Was it a one-sided landslide victory because they had all the big dancehall acts and dub plates? Thanks once again for checking out my videos. It's greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.